Before the food, at least 1 hour before the food, water. Okay. After the food, at least 90 minutes after the food, water. Not before that. 90 minutes. Okay, water. Keep this in your thumb rule as a principle in your life, that water you will only have before 1 hour of the food and after 90 minutes of the food, 1.5 hours. If you will just take care of this, your Vata Pitta Kapha will be in balance automatically. Already, because your Agni is into balance. Your Agni is there. You're not disturbing the Agni, right? This should be your game, right? And if you will just drink like this or the water, you will easily see that you will easily drink 3 to 4 liters in a day. Easily, right? Because 1 hour before have 1 liter, right? And after 90 minutes have 1 liter. After 90 minutes, you need water because now there is a paste inside the body. It needs to get out from the system now with the water, and the enzymes will get mixed. Have that. So you have 2 meals, let's say lunch or maybe dinner around 6, 7. The same principle, right? So before meal, the second meal, before 1 hour, when you know that, okay, you are going to have meal at 6 o'clock, until 5, your water should be done. Until 5, your water intake should be done, whatever it is. Okay. Never have cold water. When we talk about water, never ever have cold water, right? Cold water, cool water, in some way good for still for Pitta people, but not for Kapha and Vata people at all. Okay. Never have cold water, because cold water, what it does, it directly suppresses your Agni and it produces a lot of Vata inside the body. Never drink water standing. Standing drinking water leads to Vata related joint pains in the body. Absorption doesn't happen in the body. So always sit and drink. Have water, sip, don't gulp it. When you sip, drink the water with sip, then all the saliva will get added, enzymes will get added, and they will go inside and your acid will be neutralized all the time. A very good tip for Pitta people especially, because they get a lot of acid. So they should definitely sip and drink water. Everyone should also. Because gulping it again affects the fire, right? So these are certain rules for the water. Water, tamba, the copper water. Any water or anything, like I said before also, anything in Ayurveda is said you can have it for 3 months regular. Anything. After that, 15, 20 days or 1 month of gap you can give for water. Yeah, because if you will have everyday copper water, it's very nice. But who should have copper water, first of all? People who are lacking copper in their body. That's why you are having copper water. If you're having already too much copper in the body, why should you need copper water? So understand, if you have copper element left. Now, how to get to know? There are certain signs and symptoms: losing hair a lot, right? Getting dry skin a lot, right? All these symptoms are coming under copper, and there are various other elements also in the copper. Otherwise, you can get it checked, the blood test, and you will see if a copper element is low. So copper, when you're having overnight water in the copper mug, glass, or bottle, so have it for 3 months regularly. After 3 months, leave it, because if you're having too much of copper inside, then it will lead to certain other kind of symptoms in the body. So you give your body 15 days, at least 20 to 30 days, I would say. 20 days to 1 month of time, and then again start. You can have copper water year round, not an issue. Every day you can have, not an issue. But give the break. Especially also, I've heard that copper water gives a lot of immunity to the body. It is immunity booster to the body. So you should definitely have around the rainy season. Okay, in a rainy month you can have it, right? In a rainy month. So plan your months like this, that you are having those 3 months of 2 months of rainy season, copper water. And before that, you are just leaving, and then after that you are leaving. And then keep on having like this. So these are certain rules for the copper water. Yes, Shruti.
सर, और अगर जैसे मॉर्निंग में हम 1 लीटर पानी लेते हैं, बट उसके बाद हनी वाटर लेना हो वार्म वाटर में, तो वो उसके बाद लेना चाहिए, आफ्टर अ लीटर ऑफ वाटर, वार्म वाटर, उसके बाद वी शुड गो फॉर इट.
You can do it. So then don't increase your water intake 1 liter. Then have it only 1 glass, or 1.5 glass and then have that, because you won't be able to have otherwise.